If the tutor wants to view the event requests that they've received, what they can do is from the sidebar, they can navigate to the event request page. Once they click on that, they will be taken to this page where all the requests that this particular tutor has received, they would be stored here. So now you can see that this tutor has currently 5 active requests. So the tutor can take actions based on whether they would like to accept a particular event that they have been a part of, or they can decline also. So if they want to accept it, they can simply click on this accept button. So this particular event would get accepted and the attendees of that event would receive an email notification saying that the session is now active. In case the tutor would like to cancel any of the event or decline any request, they can simply click on decline. A confirmation model will get triggered. So this would ask whether the tutor is sure that they would like to decline this event. So once they do that, they confirm this action, then an email will be sent to all the attendees who were part of that session, and they would be notified that this particular session has been cancelled by the tutor. So this is how the tutor can view the requests and they can take actions for those requests.